Life cycle of a volcano. Preparation phase. The Earth's crust is divided into 7 major tectonic plates, floating on a thick layer of magma, melted rock, called mantle. Volcanoes can form when 2 plates move away from each other, or if one gets pushed underneath another. Magma wells up and forms an underground chamber. As it expands, the ground begins to shake. Eruption phase. When enough energy has built up below the surface, magma pushes up through one or more cracks called vents and forms a crater. Magma that has reached the surface is called lava. Lava is bright red and extremely hot and cools slowly. Sometimes it oozes out of the crater. Other times, lava and stones shoot out at ferocious speeds. With each new eruption, layers of lava build up on top of each other. The volcano gets taller and taller. Some volcanoes begin underwater, but eventually rise up to form islands. End phase. When the pressure in the mantle returns to normal, the magma chamber shrinks and no more magma rises up through the vent. The volcano becomes dormant, sleeping. Volcanoes that have been dormant for a long time are extinct.